So far we had 3 very interesting presentations. So let us move to the next presentation. The fourth one is presented by the Epidemiology Unit of Ministry of Health. The product, Dengue Sentinel Site Surveillance. Please give a warm round of applause for the presenter.
Dengue Sentinel Site Surveillance, developed by Epidemiology Unit, Ministry of Health, Sri Lanka. Background of this system, number of dengue cases has increased over the last few years. Routine paper-based surveillance takes 2 to 3 weeks to notify public health sector. Dengue morbidity can only be reduced by introducing outbreak prediction and detection by using efficient epidemiological surveillance. Preventive action against dengue fever should be expedited at the field level. Therefore, medical officer of health should be notified as soon as possible. Medical officer of health is the lowest administrative level of the public health sector. Epidemiology unit is the focal point in the Ministry of Health, Sri Lanka, for communicable disease surveillance. Therefore, Epidemiology Unit first introduced Excel-based system in November 2011 to collect dengue suspected patients' data. Validated Excel sheet was introduced and ICNO filled that and emailed it to the Epidemiology Unit. And we directly uploaded it to database. DENSIS, Dengue Sentinel Site Surveillance web-based system, was introduced in November 2013. Dengue Sentinel Site Surveillance is actually a web-based dengue early warning system. Objective of this DENSIS is to collect dengue suspected patients' data from hospital and get available for medical officer of health as soon as possible to expedite preventive action taken and for the monitoring of this preventive action. ICNO, infection control nurse, is the responsible person to feed the data into the system. ICNO collect dengue suspected patients' data every day morning, and within 2 to 3 hours they enter data into the system. Then real-time data available in the system. MOH, RE, Dengue Coordination Unit and EPID unit can access to this data and can generate the report they need. In this system, central server is there, and we have provided desktop computers and dongles for ICNOs. 51 government hospitals and 5 major private hospitals have been identified throughout the island as sentinel sites. Secret behind the success of this system is minimum number of data entry fields. From them, most of our drop-down menus. ICNO has to enter only 11 number of data entry fields. MOH can access his area of patients' data and can enter PHI area and Grama Nilladhari division. Then in this system, data available up to GN division. Then we can compare with the other department data. Grama Nilladhari division is the lowest administrative level of the government, so it is easy to compare. We used free and open source software to develop this. Language is PHP and MySQL database. This system is password protected, and we have not provided access to general public, and access levels have been created according to the stakeholders. MOH can access his area patients' data, and regional epidemiologists can access district-wise data, and provincial epidemiologists can access provincial data, and the EPID unit and Dengue Coordination Unit can access island-wide data. In this system, we can create any number of user groups and any number of user levels. Customized user privileges can be done. And audit trail is there to track any modification and monitoring of this system. Important features of the system: we can predict outbreaks by using this system. Year-wise graph is very important to compare with previous years and to detect outbreaks. Public health inspector can take daily update of his area patients, and he can take printout and he can carry it to the field. Then he can identify the location of the patient by using address, and he can carry out his preventive work there. And identification of high risk area can be done by using high risk MOH area report. 5 number of cases increased than the previous week. That MOH area will be marked in red color. So directly by looking at the report, we can identify the high risk areas, and we can evaluate the effectiveness of the preventive action taken by using this system. During recent outbreak, Presidential Task Force for Dengue used this data to identify high risk areas, and we mapped it. And after preventive work, we use this data to evaluate the effectiveness of the program. Thank you.